Welcome back to my channel. This is Dr. Pore Pop. Today I'm sharing an updated version of my acne-safe skincare routine that's been working wonders on my skin lately. If you've been following me for a while, you know I deal with sensitive, acne-prone skin, and I'm always trying to find that perfect balance between hydration, healing, and not overwhelming my skin. So in today's video, I'll walk you through my new Holy Grail products, a few little changes I've made to my steps, and why those changes made such a big difference, especially if you're struggling with irritated skin, redness, or breakouts that just won't go away. Let's get right into it. Step 1. My new cleanser. Low pH, non-stripping, and soothing. The first and most important step, cleansing. Lately, I've been using a cleanser that's totally changed how my skin feels after washing. It's the Soon Young pH 6.5 Whip Cleanser by Etude House. The texture is super soft and foamy. And what I love most is that it's fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and pH balanced. Perfect for anyone with irritated or compromised skin barriers. It has panthenol and madecassoside, which are both great for calming and restoring skin. My skin used to feel tight after washing, but this one makes it feel clean, but still hydrated, which is exactly what I want before layering on other products. Tip: I cleanse for around 45 to 60 seconds and always rinse with lukewarm water, never hot. Hot water makes breakouts worse. Please don't skip this. Step 2. Calming Toner. Rice plus Mugwort Magic. After cleansing, I go in with the I'm from Rice Toner, or sometimes the Mugwort Essence, depending on how my skin is feeling. These two are super gentle and give me that initial hydration layer, while also helping with texture and inflammation. The Rice Toner adds a subtle glow, while Mugwort helps calm red, inflamed acne that flares up around my cheeks and chin. I apply it with my palms and press it into the skin rather than wiping. It makes a huge difference in absorption and avoids irritating already sensitive areas. Step 3. Serum. Minimal but targeted. I used to layer multiple serums, hyaluronic acid, vitamin C, niacinamide, all at once. But honestly, less is more. Now I rotate based on my skin's needs. Right now, I've been using the Isntree Onion New Pair B5 ampule. And yes, it sounds weird, onion in skincare, but trust me, this stuff works. It has red onion extract, panthenol, and centella, and it really helped reduce the red marks and inflammation on my skin after breakouts. It's super lightweight and absorbs instantly. On dry skin days, I swap it for the Beauty of Joseon Glow Serum with propolis and niacinamide. It gives a more dewy, nourished look. I don't use serums every night. If I'm using something active the night before, like an exfoliant, I skip this step to avoid overwhelming my skin. Step 4. Moisturizer. My barrier savior. Okay, this product saved my skin barrier. It's the Iliune Ceramide Auto Concentrate Cream. It's rich, but not greasy, and it actually sinks in after a few minutes. It contains ceramides and squalane, which help lock in hydration and rebuild the protective layer that acne treatments can damage. Even though it's thick, it doesn't clog my pores. I use this as the final step in both my morning and night routine, and it's really kept my skin soft and bouncy. If your skin ever stings after applying moisturizer, that means your barrier is damaged. Definitely try something with ceramides. Step 5. Sunscreen. Gentle but effective. For sunscreen, I've been loving the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sun Rice Plus Probiotics SPF 50+. It's a chemical sunscreen, but super gentle, no white cast, and has zero fragrance or irritation. It layers beautifully under makeup, and I reapply it with a sunscreen stick when I'm out during the day. Note: acne scarring can worsen with sun exposure. If you're trying to fade pigmentation, sunscreen is non-negotiable. Nighttime routine. My skin healing ritual. Nighttime is when I really focus on calming breakouts, soothing redness, and helping my skin repair itself. I follow most of the same steps, but with a few changes. Step 1. Double cleanse, only on makeup days. If I wore makeup or sunscreen during the day, I double cleanse with the Beauty of Joseon Radiance Cleansing Balm. It's super gentle, melts everything off, and doesn't sting the eyes. Step 2. Treatment nights, BHA or AHA, but not often. Once or twice a week, I use the COSRX BHA Blackhead Power Liquid to exfoliate gently. It helps clear out pores and reduces congestion, but I never use it on irritated or broken out skin. Other nights, I skip actives completely and go full hydration mode. Step 3. Aloe or sleeping mask. Depends on skin mood. If my skin is irritated or breaking out, I use fresh aloe gel from the plant or 99% aloe with no alcohol. I layer it thick like a sleeping mask and wake up with calmer, smoother skin. When I want more glow, I use the Laneige Cica sleeping mask. It's centella-packed and feels like a hydrating cloud on the skin. Bonus, spot treatment for those painful little spots that show up at the worst time. I dab on Pyeongkang Yule Acne Spot Cream or use pimple patches overnight. I swear by the COSRX Master Patches. They reduce size, redness, and temptation to pick. Final thoughts. So that's my current routine. And honestly, my skin feels calmer, smoother, and more resilient than it has in a long time. If you're struggling with acne or sensitive skin, just remember, consistency beats intensity. You don't need a 10-step routine or expensive products. You just need a few gentle, reliable ingredients that your skin actually likes. Let me know in the comments what your holy grail acne product is, or if you've tried anything from today's routine. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.